welcome everybody. My name is Vatricia Flowers, and today I'm going to be discussing this here chart that you see in front of you. So it's called the Daily Growth Plan. I already shared it in my group, which is on Telegram for my signals, where I do Forex signals, and I have a discussion chat where you can talk anything related to Forex or anything that you want to learn about Forex. You can put it down in the chat, and I'll go ahead and make videos pertaining to those topics that you guys are interested in. So I'm gonna go ahead and make videos that are pertaining to how-tos, so that you'll learn anything that you want to learn about Forex, whether it's how to calculate your pips, how to enter and exit your trades, how when you know when it is a good time to take trades. Whatever you want to discuss, guys, I'll be able to discuss that on this channel here. So this is the daily growth plan that I have in front of me. So on this chart here, I have an example for a $200 balance. Now, if depending on your account balance, this is the amount that you're going. Let me hold on. I'm trying to get this off of here to where. So this is the amount that you're going to be looking at your chart each and every day. Like, let's just say you trade 3 days out the week. So every 3 days, you would look here on your growth plan, and you will start with day one. And we know that there are 6 trading days in Forex. So on day one, you'll look at your growth plan and you'll see the amount of lot size. Now, this is registered for 10 pips, but of course, I go for more than 10 pips using the desired lot size that they have here. But hold on, something ain't right with this one. This one is not the right lot size. It's supposed to be way less than that. Um, so hold on, guys. Let me go back because I did modify some growth plans. So that's why we're kind of sitting here. So let me go ahead and modify, guys, and pull up a plan that has been here. Uh, let's see if this, let's see. Okay, guys, so I'm going to take the 20% off because you could choose whatever your desired percentage rate that you want to go ahead and take profits, or you want your, I don't need a tour. I already know how to use this software. So, so I put mine to 15%. And depending on your account balance, you can sit there and put that here, and it'll calculate everything that you want, depending on your account balance. So this is the correct lot size that we're looking at here. So you will take, for those 3 days, you will put aside the amounts that you're going to be trading. And now, if you're taking longer term trades, that's fine too, because you will be looking at your growth plan here, and you'll go by the lot size that they have here. So if you have a $200 account, you will go with at 15%, but I recommend, if you're new to trading, you could start at 3% to 5% with your account. Um, and if you don't, if you're new and brand new and don't know how to trade that well, if you're trading by yourself, or if you want to get your feet wet and you want to learn to make sure that you in the right direction with your trading, start with 3 to 5%, and then you can advance to 15% or 20%, depending on your comfort level in the market, and if you consistently get great returns on your investment. So the $3 is basically what you would take and you would trade. So this will be $3 a pip. So now, if this was to be 30 cents a pip, it'll be 0.03. That is calculated as 30 cents per pip. But now, do you see the 3 behind this dot, and in front of the 0? That is $3 per pip. Now, this is $3.50 per pip. This is $5.20 per pip, and $6 a pip. And if you go on and on and on, you will see the standard lot sizes here. So these are your lot sizes, guys, that you will be putting in to place your trades. Down here is your standard. So this is $10.60. $10.60, or 6 cents, shall I say, because you'll put it in 1.06. That's how you would be putting it in if you would go to your chart. You'll put that in like that. And then this is $12. $12. It is a standard size lot. So this is $12.10. $12.10. $10. I'm sorry, $10. and 60 cents. $10.60, and this is $9.20. And this is just $8. Okay, so this is $21.20. So if you just keep scrolling down, and I also wanted to show you guys from day one to, like, if you did a 30-day journey on your with your forex, but because it's always great to calculate your journey. And at $200 in 30 days, you'll have $13,000 and $13,242.35 in your account. Now, it depends on if you had wins or losses, but for the most part, you will have $13,242 in your account. And if you scroll on down to 60 days, guys, you will see that you'll get more. So in 60 days, your account had quadrupled to $876,799.75. And this is just based off of 10 pips, per 10 pips. Each and every day. But I don't trade like that because I trade longer term setups, so therefore you will be reaching your goal way much faster than what it's showing here. So because I take longer term setups and I go for more pips, guys, this 13,000 in 30 days will happen way up here. So you will be in at that goal probably way up here in 15 days or 20 days. And that is realistically speaking, because when I trade Forex, I look for confirmations to trade. I look for daily confirmations. I look on the higher time frames, the weekly time frame. I look on the daily. I look on the 4 hour, and I drop down to the 1 hour. No lower than 15 minute. But I do not enter on a 15 or the 30 minute. I typically enter on my 1 hour time frame. So I wait for my simple confirmations that I'll go ahead and do in another video, guys. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel if you're brand new, and don't forget to share this video with everybody that you may know. Oh, and also, I forgot to go ahead and add, if you haven't already, my Telegram links will be in the description below, and you can go ahead and subscribe to those channels, to my Telegram channels. That way you could get Forex signals, and you will be trading profitable with me each and every day. Whenever there's a setup, I usually just call a signal in my group, and I do this all for free because I think it's great to give back to the community, and I love what I do. I love helping other people, and I don't mind sharing anything that I know. So this channel is basically here to help struggling people, that's been online in the industry for a long time and that hadn't had success. So with anything, so Forex is the route that is going to be great for a lot of you guys. That is going to help you get out of the debt that you're in. It's going to help you get to where you need to be on this journey, guys. So ciao till the next video.